Hello, Mrs. Phillips's class. Hi, guys, it's me, your technology teacher, Mr. Bray. So, I wanted to give a quick update on our coding challenge. So, throughout the whole time you spent in my room, we worked in code.org and we kept track of all the lines coded from the very first time we logged into coding until the very last day. So, what I have is our class total and our top 5 coders. You can see on the bulletin board here, which I took a picture of. It's outside now. So if you walk by, you can see it. For those of us who are at home all the time, you can see what our bulletin board looks like as an entire day 3 group. So all the classes from 5th down to 1st, we coded 40,958 lines all together. You can see the top coder from each class here. And in our class, we're in 3rd grade, we're going to get to that top coder. So we're going to go in reverse order, starting with our 5th most lines coded. And that goes to Julia with 308 lines. Way to go, Julia. In 4th place, Marie with 328 lines of code. Nicely done, Marie. And just edging Marie out with one more line of code, Seamus, 3rd place. Way to go, bud, with 329 lines. 2nd place was Finn with 335 lines. And not a lot of you know, Finn had a lot of problems with logins and it didn't work a lot of times. So the fact that Finn is number 2 is really astonishing. Way to go, Finn. But our top coder of all of Mrs. Phillips's class is Ethan with an astonishing 523 lines of code. Ethan, amazing job. Way to go. Now, as the entire class goes, we coded 5,493 lines of code in our short time together, the 5 weeks or so that your class was coming to my room. So have a wonderful next special. I'm not sure where you guys are. Maybe it's gym, and if it's gym, I'm sure you're having fun in gym. Take care, and if you're ever walking by, stop by and say hi. Take care, everyone. Bye-bye.